Hi, my name is Blake Tice with Bluewater Yacht Sales, and this is the 2026 Regulator 28. The 28 has been a very popular boat for a few years, and it just got a complete revamp to make it even better. We're starting on the bow because a lot of the changes are right here, including the all-new deck cap. So they just completely changed the deck cap. You'll notice a bull-nose tow rail similar to what they have on the 35. This boat has the inserts for the forward Mediterranean shade. And then you have a larger anchor locker. This has a Maxwell windlass with those controls. Forward seating, there's storage underneath just like every boat, but this boat has the magnetic cushions. So you'll see they are very positive latching on there where they're attached to the boat. And then they're super easy to just throw on there and they're not gonna go anywhere. Underneath my feet, you have a fish box that's lockable and also doubles as rod storage. And then you have a forward console seat. This boat is upgraded with the diamond stitch upholstery. You have armrests and a cooler inside. Another change, more visibility on the windshield thanks to this vent. Instead of having the vent cut into the glass, it's actually recessed into the hard top. So the air goes in this side and out the other, and you're able to control the airflow and change it as you need it. Let's walk back to the helm, and on the way, we'll look at the inside of the head. This has a fully finished head, solid surface countertops, a sink. You have your battery switches and your access to the back side of the dash and your batteries. As we approach the helm, we have all new helm seats. So these are really nice helm seats. Again, diamond stitching. You still have the adjustable bolsters and the armrests and adjustable footrests. At the helm, twin Garmin electronics, multi-function displays. You have inductive cell phone chargers integrated into the dash. You have your autopilot, but it has a joystick. And then new for 2026 is the Seakeeper Ride automatic trim tabs. As we continue back into the cockpit, we'll take a look at the tackle center. We'll see another new option, and that's the Yeti cooler. It's really easy to pull out, so you can double, you can put a cushion on here and sit here, or you have extra cooler storage as well, and it's very easy to slide it in and out. And then you have tackle storage above. Here's your bilge access. Bucket storage, look how finished and clean it is. Everything's labeled and very well laid out, easy to work on. In the transom, we have a fold-out bench. See, you still have the diamond stitch upholstery all throughout. Engine flushes. And then you have a live well and a fish box built into the transom. The 28 has a walk-through tuna door. And then we have a synthetic teak topped bracket. And also new for 2026 is the Yamaha 350 horsepower engines. This boat will almost get up to about 62 miles an hour. So it's a definite improvement in your performance. Finally, let's take a look at the hardtop. You have your rocket launchers above. We have an open array radar and Gemlux carbon fiber outriggers. Thank you for touring the all new Regulator 28. My name is Blake Tice with Bluewater Yacht Sales. Check us out at bluewateryacht sales.com.